Look for this switch on the side of the front seats. Slide it forward or backward and the seat will move in that direction. Push down or pull up on the switch to move the seat up or down, or to adjust the angle of the seat. Push this switch backward to recline the seat, or forward to bring the seat upright. The lumbar support feature provides lower back support to the front seats. Use this switch to adjust the lumbar support. Use this switch, if so equipped, to adjust the side support. Press this side to tighten the support, or this side to loosen. The seats can also be adjusted by using the center display. Touch settings. Vehicle. Seat. Front power seat adjustment. Then, use the keys to adjust the seats. To adjust the second row seat, slide this switch to adjust the seat forward or backward. Push this switch backward to recline the seat, or forward to bring the seat upright. If so equipped, you can also use the rear control panel to adjust the rear seats. Touch this key to adjust the seats. The second row seats can be tipped forward for easy access to the third row seats. To tip the seats forward, push and hold this switch. A beep will sound and the seat back will tip up. Then the seat will move forward and beep twice when the operation is complete. The seats can also be moved by using the center display. Touch settings. Vehicle. Seat. Entry to third row seat. Then, use the keys to move the seats. It may be necessary to remove the rear seat headrests or head restraints before folding the rear seats. When returning any seat back to the upright position, always be certain it is completely secured in the latched position. If you have removed or adjusted the headrests or head restraints, reinstall and properly adjust them before an occupant uses these seating positions. To recline the third row seat back, push and hold the rear side of this switch located near the third row cup holders. To move the seat back forward, push and hold the front side of the switch. There are switches marked L for left and R for right on the passenger side of the cargo area that are used to fold down the left or right second and third row seats. These switches control the second row seats, and these switches control the third row seats. With the shift position in park, push this side of the switch to fold down and this side of the switch to fold up. A beep will sound once when the seat begins to fold down or return upright. When the seat is fully folded or upright, the beep will sound twice. The seats can also be folded by using the center display. Touch settings. Vehicle. Seat. Power folding rear seats. Then, use the keys to fold the seats. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.